My dear friend, today we will talk about the Tupu Sultan Tikkun of the Islam, means Gunda of Islam. He did persecuted not only civilians but also the many soldiers of British army were captured and were circumcised them forcibly and giving them Muslim name to wear ghagra and choli them and entertain this type of the Tipu Sultan. They code them as a Notanki, a type of dance program with telling the story with dance and music, local drama in the local language, girl of dance. 5,000 Mangalorean Christians were killed. The Netravati river was so putrid. The stench of the dead bodies that the local residents were forced to leave their riverside home. Ottoman Empire of the Khalif, persecution of the Christian in 1683 to 1619, since the time of Austro-Turkish War. Relation between and Christians gradually deterioration in interfaith relation due to the stupidity of Muslims of the Turkey, as they thought they were or they are too superior to Christians, as usually the mental madness or illness against Kafirs and other weak Kafirs. In the Ottoman kingdom, the destruction of the churches and the monasteries and killing the Christians, destruction of the churches and schools was very common in Turkey. Ottoman forces conducted systematic atrocity against the Christian population of Serbian refugees resulting from the great migration of the Serbs. Ottoman Albania and the Kosovo, persecution of the Christian because Ottoman kingdom was pure Muslim and the time of Austro-Turkish war, that is between 1683 to 1690 Anno Domini. Relation between Muslims and the Christian who lived in the European province of the Ottoman kingdom, and when Ottoman gradually deterioration in the faith relation resulted for expulsion of extermination of local Christian communities by some Moments religious leaders as a result of Ottoman operation. The non-Muslim and civilian Serbian Christian and their church's leader, headed by Serbian Patriarch Arsenide III, sided with the Assyrians in 689 AD to 737 AD under the Serbian Patriarch IV. In the following punitive campaigns, Ottoman forces conducted systematic atrocities against the Christian population as in the Serbian region resulted in the great migration of Serbia before the late 16th century. Albania, despite being under Ottoman, was overwhelmingly Christians majority unlike Bosnia, Bulgaria and North Greek, and the mountainous Albania was the center of the revolution against the atrocity of the Muslims. As per their doctrine, in response, Ottoman was now strict against Christians and tried to convert Christians through Islamization. The persecution of the Christian in Turkey in the shape of deprived their wealth, property and jobs in the Ottoman kingdom. Taxes were in large amount which they could not pay. Their taxes, which was rand 45 akis, Turkish monetary unit of the Ottoman Empire, a silver coin to 780 akis per year. Many Albanian people often opted to save their clans and villages from hunger and economic pressure. This was the culmination of the conversion to Islam, village-wise to region-wise, also a failed Catholic rebellion in 1596 Anno Domini and the Albanian population, and its support by the Austro-Hungary during the War of the Turkey in 1644 Anno Domini. Went Venetian Ottoman War as well as the revolt. It was a great uprising in the Peloponnese as the peninsula in Greek were all factors which led to punitive measurement in which outright fear was accompanied by economic centric depending on the reign ended up forced conversion into Islam in Albania. In the aftermath of the Greek-Turkish war, most of them died of the disease and the starvation. After the Orthodox Serbian population subsequently also fled from Kosovo, the Pasha of Ipex forced Albanian Catholic maintainers to repopulate Kosovo by deporting them to the Kosovo and also adopt Islam. In 7th and the 18th century, South Albania also saw numerous violence against the Christians by those who were converted Islam. Ultimately, for the fear of more conversion and as well as violence, the Christians went away. Persecution of Christians in communist Albania was due to the communist Albania being subordinate to the interest of the Marxism. During the communication in Albania, and Albania was atheist state, 1967 to 1991 AD, many believers of the Jesus were persecuted in this world. All foreign Roman Catholic priests, monks, and nuns also expelled in 1946 Anno Domini, and all religious buildings by army and converted into basketball court, music theaters, dancing hall, and the like, with members of the clergy being stripped of their titles and imprisoned. 6,000 Christians were abducted by the army and never returned, meaning they were killed for their religious persecution up to 1991. Jesuitian and the Francium orders were henceforth ordered to terminate their activities in Albania. In Iraq, the Christians suffered a series of the persecutions during the massacre in 1933, with the death of 3,000 civilians in the Kingdom of Iraq in 1987. That last census counting the 1.4 million Christians in Iraq, they were tolerated under the so-called secular regime of the Saddam Hussein. Even he made his deputy Tariq Aziz. However, Hussein government continued killing and persecution of the Christian and culture and ethnic religious, because the majority are Mesopotamian, Eastern Arabic speaking ethnic Assyria, Akka, Chaldo Assyrian, the Assyrianic language and the script names of the Akkadian, Isro-Babylonic names was forbidden. For example, Tariq Aziz name was the Michael Yohanna, and the Saddam exploited religious difference, such as the Holdam Catholics, the Assyrian Church of the East. The Syrian Orthodox Church it was the divided of church and compelled to Christian convert into Islam. Many Assyrians and the Armenians were chemically killed in town and village by the fanatic Muslims, that is the Saddam Hussein. Madagascar Queen Renevalena issued a royal edict prohibiting the practice of Christianity in Madagascar and expelled the missionaries by fanatic Muslims. Nazi Germany, Hitler and the Nazis received same support from Christian community. Once in power, the Nazis moved to consolidate their power over the German churches and bring them in line with Nazi ideals. The Nazi version of the Christianity interrelated was that Jesus was the Son of God, but he was not Jew, because he was crucified not a Jew, but as a rebellion against Judaism, and Jews were responsible for his death. Jehovah's Witnesses were targets of the Nazi persecution for their denied support to Nazi. Due to this politically, naturally, and a result, they were imprisoned in concentration camps, but not for as Christians, but not support Hitler. Relation between Muslims and the Christian in Ottoman Empire during the modern were shaped in no small part of by broader dynamics related to European colonial and the neo-imperialist activity. In the religion dynamics, that primitively tension was between Muslims and the Christianity. Though Christians were powerful due to the Western Europe support to Christians in Turkey, so Muslims were in unrest due to influence of the Christians. Persecutions and the massacre of Badr Khan was concluded by the Kurdish and Ottoman forces against the Assyrian Christians population in the Ottoman Empire between 1843 to 1847, resulting the slaughter of more than 10,000 indigenous Assyrian civilization of Hakkari region, the many thousands more being sold into slavery. On 17 January 1850, Muslim majority began rioting against the United Catholic minority that lived in the community of Judaida in the city of Aleppo, that is in Morocco. During uprising 1876 against Ottoman rule and the Russian-Turkish war, the persecution of Bulgarian Christian was conducted by the Muslim soldiers in favor of the Turkey. The principal location were Pera Gursat या Pera Sutija and the Bratojogo. 15,000 civilians were killed, who were the all Christian in Batak massacre in 1876. though some stated that killing of only uh, uh, 12,000 to 7,000, but killing is killing, and it had proved that Islam is a Gunism of just like state mongers, as Muhammad and his followers were master, rather PhD in killing, looting, robbery, and the rapes, with Jewish tribe and all the Muslims now are following Gunism, which were inhibits in the origin time of the Islam. But many other proofs shows that this number was greater than even this. That was the at least 30,000 Christians were killed in the war by the hand of Muslims. Similar attack on Christians were undertaken during 1876 to 1878 Serbian-Turkish war. In between 189 in between 194 to 1986, ethnic cleansing of the Christian were started, known as Hamadian massacre, was conducted against the ancient Armenian and Assyrian Christian population by the force of Ottoman Empire. The massacre took place in what is today southeastern Turkey, northeastern Syria, and the northern Iraq. Christians were massacred on Diyarbakir, Hasan Kaif, Sivas, and other parts of the Anatolia and the northern Mesopotamia by Sultan Abdul Hamid II. The death toll was 3 lakhs, 25,000 people, with a further 5 lakhs, 40,000 Armenian and Assyrian killed by the Gunism or Guns of the Islam. Mentally retired group of the Muslim army as usual of the Turkey, destruction and forced conversion in mosque of the Christians. Circumcised forcibly, these attack caused of 249 villages. Villagers killed. The Ottoman Muslim troops looted the many buildings, gold currency, and the many luxurious items of the Christians, and armed women were raped by the lunatic Muslims of the Turkish army. Children were enslaved, and sodomy was prominent by the Muslim soldiers of the Turkey. As we all of us knows that the followers of all radicalized Islam itself radicalized. So no question arise. Radicalized Muslims means all Muslims are radicalized, being the follower of Quran and Islam. The radicalized army done many massacres below given by the insane Muslim in Turkey. Adana massacre of the Christian by Muslims. This was occurred in the Adana village or village Adana, Ottoman Empire in April 1909. Anna Domini, a massacre of Armenian Christian by Ottoman Muslim in the city of Adana amidst the Ottoman countercoup of 199 expanded to a series of anti-Armenian pagans. Throughout the province, around 20,000 to 25,000 people were killed by the Muslims, mostly Armenian Christians, only for spreading Islam about Assyrian Christians. Thus, Ronald Gier stated that degraded into pogrom rather than a state initiative. Between 1915 to 1921, the Young Turks government of the collapsing Ottoman Empire persecuted Eastern Christians population in Anatolia, in Turkey, Persia, northern Mesopotamia, and the Levant by mass killing of by Muslims, which including the Kurds, Arab, and the many other Muslims were in this army and killed almost 44 lakhs Christian, in which roughly 1.5 million Armenian Christian or 0.75 lakh were Assyrian Christian, and the 25 lakhs Maronite and 0.90 lakhs were Greek Orthodox Church, and the Assyrian group of Gregorian Christians were also killed. In the aftermath of Sheikh Said rebellions, the Syriac Orthodox churches and the Assyrian churches of the Eastern were harassed by the Muslims in Turkey. So this is the persecution of the Christian by the rogue ideology or the state monger like the Islamic goons. So next video will be continue in favor of the disclosing the persecution of the Christian by the Muslims. As you know, the Islam is a rogue ideology. The Islam group of the criminals, rappers, robbers, and the rapists, as the Muhammad was. He committed so many crimes. Muhammad was a certified criminal of this society, and his liability to this society. And the Muslim must shame on such type of person is their prophet, which who was the great killer, rapist, and the hardcore criminal. If he will be alive in this time, certainly Muhammad will be in jail throughout the life, or he must be hanged in within 1 or 2 years after launch the Islamic Gunism known in 610 AD. This is the fortune of the Muhammad, that Muhammad was born very early in the 7th century. If he will born in this era, he must be killed by the non-Muslim army or non-Muslim public. Thank you very much. See you.